In today's video, I'll show you how you can make $29 to $70 an hour on your spare time. Let's go. All right, guys. So the website we're going to review today is called TaskRabbit. So TaskRabbit is a website where you can offer your services or you can buy services. Let's say you're looking for a painter to paint a room in your house. You don't have time to do it or you don't know how to do it. You can go to this website and hire someone who's going to do it for you. If you know how to paint, or if you know how to clean or do yard work, or do furniture assembly, heavy lifting and loading, plumbing, electrical, moving, general mounting, minor home repairs, for example, you can as well offer your services for a fee. And first of all, I just want to let you know that this website is for now available just in the US, Canada, the UK, France, Germany, Italy, Portugal, Spain, and Monaco. So if you're not living in those countries as of today, it's not available. It might be available later on, but as of now, it's not available. As you can see, it's a company of IKEA, so it's well known. You can pretty much count on this website, and it's not going to be a scammy website whatsoever. So yeah, it's a good website. It's got a lot of good reviews as well. And again, it's a shame that it's not available everywhere. Like some countries are missing out, like Australia, New Zealand, India, China, like huge countries, like, but you never know, it might just expand and might be available in your country if you don't live in these countries today. So we are going to pick a general type of service that you could do if you have a truck or a car. And I'm talking about delivery. We'll check the other ones too, but I want to check delivery because delivery is fairly easy as long as you have a vehicle, even a bike, that would work too, depending on what you deliver. But pretty much everybody can do it, right? So let's pick that one. It's the most basic one that I can think of, that doesn't require any skill whatsoever apart from being able to drive. Or even, I don't know, if you don't need a vehicle, you can pretty much take the public transport maybe to do your task if it's only like delivering paperwork. So, anyways, let's get into it. I already set up my website. I'll leave the link below if you want to join TaskRabbit. You can definitely join. If you use my link, you can get $10 off your task if you want to buy a task. So, if you want to try it out, if you need help, you can join via the link below. Okay, so here it is. I just picked delivery date within a week. I can even change and put today and see. And this is what we have. So as you can see, the price for the same day ranges from $32 per hour to $40 an hour. So again, see, it's this person has a car, minivan, SUV, and here moving truck. So this person has everything pretty much. But yeah, so that's per hour. Sometimes they ask you to book for a minimum of so many hours. So they wouldn't do the job if you don't book for so many hours. But that's what you can see. The average hourly rate is $35 an hour just to deliver. We can put within 3 days just to see here that person, as you can see, pickup truck, $58 an hour. So he already did 16 tasks. He's got 10 reviews, so extremely good. This person, 33 tasks, $41 an hour, and 23 reviews, and he's got like a 5 star. So that's good. Everybody has 5 stars from what I can see. Like 4.9, that's pretty good too. That person is a new tasker. Again, when you start, you might want to be a little bit cheaper if you want to get some work and get some reviews, and then maybe raise your price if you want to. So within a week, we have that. Again, as I said, the price ranges from $29 an hour to pretty much like $58 an hour. And that is for delivery. Now we're going to change. Let's say you want to do something else. So here, we're going here. Let's say, okay, furniture assembly. I mean, the parent company is IKEA. So I guess, like when you go buy furniture piece at IKEA, you have to assemble your cabinet, or I mean, it could be a pain. We've all done it. You need patience, you need time to do it, and some people do not have the patience and the time. So you want to check furniture assembly. This is how it's going to look like. So you'll go here. I'm going to put a random address. We don't need, I mean, you'll put your address, but I'll put a random address right here. Uh, there you go, Calgary, IKEA. Well, here, other furniture items than IKEA, or you can pick the IKEA one. Let's pick the IKEA one. I know they're easy, but try our IKEA furniture assembly service. So starting at $42. Different flat rate. That's a flat rate, and it's not bad actually. So, well, let's say we don't want to pick that. No thanks. Okay. Um, Less than an hour. Yeah, an hour max. Yeah, probably like they require a car to go to your place. And you will just describe what you want. Need to assemble my IKEA cabinet. IKEA cabinets and see taskers and prices. And here again, we have that same person who can deliver anything as well, but $60 per hour. Okay, is actually specializing in that. I would say he loves assembling furniture. So $60 an hour and you get your furniture assembled. So if you can do that, if you know how to build an IKEA furniture, go ahead, $60 an hour, just like to take your time and, assemble something. That's not bad. That's really not bad. $34 an hour for this person. That's within a week. Now let's look at other tasks just to see. Okay. Yard work. We know winter is coming, guys. So in Canada, what that means? Snow. Snow. So yard work, that could be part of it. But anyways, I'm gonna put my random address again right here. Continue. Let's say 2 to 3 hours. You need a car, of course, and remove snow. And let's see. Here you go. So these persons can do it for 35 an hour, 32, $60 an hour again, 47 an hour. And yeah, and like this person is obviously specializing in everything about yards. He can do planting, pruning, maintenance, garden maintenance, installs, leaf removal, lawn mowing, probably snow removal too. Well, it didn't say, but anyways, that's what I was asking in my request. So let's go and check another one. All right, let's pick moving help. I mean, I know it's not something fun, but that's something anybody could do. Let's put our random address right here. And let's put another random address, and I'll pick this one. Uh, yeah, here we go. 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, you need a truck. So if you have a truck or even a car, let's put a car. Um, need to move boxes. Oops. Oops. Boxes. Here you go. And let's see the prices. Okay. This person, the same, is obviously offering any type of services because he's everywhere. Is offering that for $80 an hour. Excellent, you know. I mean, that's excellent if you're doing it. It's good money. $44 an hour here, 43. The average hourly rate is $45 an hour. Okay, so that's my point, guys. If you want to make some spare money on your spare time, if you want to make extra money, sorry, on your spare time, you can use TaskRabbit. You surely have a car. You surely can drive from point A to point B. So you probably can do at least delivery, the delivery service. Could be delivering anything. And I mean, if you're available on the day and time they're requesting, people are requesting, you can make, we saw the minimum rate was 29 point something an hour. So you can make a minimum of $29 an hour just to drive for 1 hour. I know you're going to say the fuel is expensive. Okay, I understand. But if it doesn't take you long to go from that distance to the other one, it's worth it. So that's interesting if you live in, again, those countries here: UK, Canada, US, France, Germany, Italy, Portugal, Spain, and Monaco. You have some spare time. You can decide if you want to take the job or not. You can decide your price, and that's how you could potentially make some extra income on your spare time. It could be after work. Let's say you work in an office and you're available to pick up something that's nearby your office, to drop it off not far from where you live. Who knows? I mean, or to drop it off on the way, you know, from your office to your home. You just pick up like that piece of furniture item that you need to deliver and go there. Like, you know, it's minimum the rate you put per hour. So you're gonna make at least 29 or 30, 40 dollars an hour for just like to drive from your office, let's say, to that place, and then you go home. So yeah, it could be interesting. If you have a vehicle, at least that would be better. And if you are skilled and you know anything about plumbing, electrical, I mean, that's, you can probably make a lot of money as well. We can check it out. But that's, yeah, you have to be qualified for that, or you need to know your stuff. So that wouldn't be for anyone. So let's say 2 to 3 hours, and I don't know. We put electrical. Need to install pot lights. Pot lights. Pot lights. Okay, 58 an hour, 69 an hour, 52 an hour. The average hourly rate is $53 an hour. So 64, you know. So here, that person, I mean, check this out. $89 an hour, and it's got 43 reviews. So it's had a lot of requests. You know what I mean? So if you have some spare time here, this person, $188 an hour. And yeah, recommend. Okay, he had like one review, but yeah, if you have extra time, $75 an hour. That's our guy who's always there. If you have some spare time and and you're skilled at doing something, use that to make some extra income. And then, you can invest that money into something that can bring you some passive income later on. But to make that extra money fast, that could be a good way to do it. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope it was useful. Thanks again for watching my video. I hope it was useful for some of you guys. If it was, please subscribe to my channel, give me some thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.